Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my
over there. Just to remember, don't try to swim across it because there's a lot of good and they always hungry. And these trees houses in Germany were famous scientists to go there. Okay, now we're along as we were in the word only 4,000 miles, but don't worry. I know a shock us. Let's see what we're waiting for us.
Semprot orang-orang gak saya.
It's a morning in the baby. Let's see if everybody's watching the video on the battery recharge right now. Let's see, come on to the baby elephant. Ooh, there's one elephant here. It's a brand new elephant. He's taking a shower. Look at those wrinkles. I think we're shoving on to the one that's alone. Oh no, who is this? It's a funny elephant. It's a really bad temper. And it's coming up. Are you ready to go watch? Get down, right, get down. Okay, I'm just kidding. Oh, but where are we now? Is first time of the year. And did you see that? A big spider. Those spider can jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, we only take its way. So if they jump, they will jump right over us. Oh, steady elephant guard! Those skin cobras put in an elephant guard. And there was one of cobras here. It's nervous. Shh, be quiet. Okay, we're safe now. Oh, relax. Oh, look! There's so many crocodiles here. I told you they're always hungry. So they're jumping to the water. We call them crocodile and they call us lunch. Ooh, they look so hungry right now. It's horrible. Oh, I know where we now. Here's the cave of a scientist. Let me introduce my friends. Oh no, what's going on? There's someone's been coming. Who's coming? What's going on? The guys, they're gonna try to shoot us. Oh, they're so naughty. Wow, well, look at the front. Welcome to Africa. There's a lot of different kind of animals here. We have a zebra, giraffe, and African elephant. And this elephant is the most serious animal in the jungle, the African elephant. Yes, good. Oh no, wait! She's the most serious animals in the jungle. That is wrong. Oh, you're arguing right now. Oh, something in the water. What's that? Oh, Zebo! Those super 6,000 pound creatures can bite you up. Can you smell that? Their mouth is smelly because they don't let you brush their teeth. Oh, there it is, the scientist! I'm gonna see you again. It's a Dr. Shea. Hey, Dr. Shea, what's up you about your cow? Ooh, but not a good time. Well, shall we help them, shall we? Yes or no? Because they will eat us. Keep your whole body into the balconies, okay? If you're getting on feet and legs and don't stand up because it's really dangerous, okay? Now we'll get back to the door. Oh no! What's going on? Watch it, everyone! Oh no. I think we're in the movie The Coyote of the God. Oh, we're blocking the front. Maybe we can go back to the... Oh no, we're blocking the bathroom! Oh, somebody help us, please. Okay, now we're going to back to the door right now. Remember, keep your arms to the belt, please, okay? Your arm into the belt, please. Yeah, your arm into the belt, please, and don't touch your gray area. Hello, man. Hello, man, look at me. Your arm into the belt, please. Hello.
Tanganmu loh,
Yes, arm into the belt, please. Yes.
Ora tanganmu loh,
Your arm into the belt, please, and don't touch your gray area, okay? Okay, now we'll get back to the door right now. Oh, so sorry, your leg. Okay, now we'll get back to the door right now. Remember, don't climb the window later, okay? This is the window, and if you climb the window, you will become a gorilla. And I will send you back to the jungle, and you will eat banana. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. And if you enjoyed the trip, please remember my name is Angel. If not,